This is getting quite frustrating, to be very honest. It doesn't matter how much you try to help people, how much proof, evidence, intelligence, and common sense you throw at these people, people just do not listen. So what do all the gurus, all the influencers, what do they tell you how to find motivated seller leads? They will tell you to do direct marketing, cold calling, text messaging, to the foreclosure list, the absentee owner list, the probate list, the tax lien list, and that is how you find motivated sellers, right? People, seriously, think. Just use common sense. Just use intelligence. If you were truly finding motivated seller leads through those tactics, it wouldn't take you 3,000 tries to finally snag a deal. If you were truly reaching motivated sellers using all these lists, why would it take you 3,000 tries, 3,000 mailers, 300 phone calls to finally snag one deal? It makes no sense. So let me put it into perspective for you. Imagine you have 1,000 people in front of you, okay? They are starving, they are hungry, they haven't eaten in 30 days. They are dying of hunger. And here you come with a juicy chicken melt sandwich dripping in bacon fat, and you will hold it up high and you'll tell them, who wants this sandwich? How many of these 1,000 starving people will raise their hand? What do you think? Obviously, all of them. 1,000 people will raise their hand. You will get a 100% conversion rate. My question is why? The reason why is because you approach the right audience with the right message. You'll get a 100% conversion rate. This is common sense. Now, if it takes you 3,000 mailers to finally snag one deal, isn't it quite obvious that you are not approaching the right audience with the right message? If the foreclosure, absentee owner, and all these other lists were truly getting you motivated sellers, it wouldn't take you 3,000 tries to finally snag one. Use your own intelligence. You think I'm a guru? You think that I'm trying to sell you a product? Fine. Use your own intelligence. Look at your own numbers. How many mails you have to send before you get one deal? So check this out. Let's look at my inbox. Okay, I have a #1 ranking website. And because I rank #1, I get anywhere between 4 and 12 leads every single day. Okay, these leads are free. They are motivated. I don't lift a finger. I don't spend a cent. Let me repeat this. I don't do anything for these leads. I'm about to travel to Puerto Rico and now the leads are still coming in. I don't do anything. I'm completely removed. All the work has been done 6 years ago, building up my website. Now I rank #1. Free leads, the best quality. Why am I telling you this? This last month, I got between 100 and 200 leads in my inbox. Motivated. These people actually want to sell their house. These are not people that I was looking for. No, these people are looking for me. They're motivated. They're ready to sell. From those 100 to 200 leads, guess what? I received 1 foreclosure leads, 2 absentee owner leads, 1 death in the family. That's it. Those are all. The rest of my leads came from people that simply had no issue. They weren't in foreclosure. They weren't dealing with taxes. They didn't want to list with an agent. They didn't want to clean. They didn't want to do any repairs. They simply were willing to accept an offer below market value for the sake of convenience. Do you know what that means? That means that 97% of my leads came from people that simply didn't want to list. That's it. What that truly means is that if the foreclosure list, the absentee owner list, and the tax lien list were truly motivated sellers, I would have a lot more of those kind of leads in my inbox. I would have a lot more people in foreclosure. I would have a lot more probate leads, but I don't. These people on your list, they do not want to sell. Otherwise, I would have them in my inbox. So if you are spending money on marketing, trying to reach the foreclosure, absentee owners, and whatnot, you are literally throwing money away. Again, do not take my word for it. Look at your own numbers. How many mailers do you need to send before you snag one deal? The sad part is there does not exist a system to target motivated sellers. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, does not exist. Today they're not motivated, tomorrow they are, for whatever reason. They didn't get some divine tag to their forehead saying now they are motivated. No, you cannot isolate motivated sellers from the general public. There doesn't exist a way. The only way to find motivated sellers is when they find you. They are the first to know that they're motivated. They will go to internet. Nobody is going to plant their ass in front of the mailbox when they get bitten by a rattlesnake, hoping somebody will send them a directly marketing piece telling them what to do when you get bitten by a rattlesnake. No, everybody goes to Google. Everybody goes online when they have a problem they need solving. They want instant gratification. What happens when they find you on the first page with a very credible website? They go to you, obviously. So, and influencers and gurus, dude, stop it. Like I know you don't do it on purpose, but ignorance is no excuse for incompetence either. Stop telling people to go to the foreclosure and absentee owners and all that stuff. Can you get a deal from those lists? Of course you can. Nobody says you can't. But argue this for me. Everybody, argue this common sense sentence for me right now. Your success is based on your ability to find motivated seller leads. Everybody agrees. Your success is based on your ability to find motivated seller leads, yet everybody is using strategies with less than a 3% success rate to find motivated sellers. In other words, your success is based on strategies with a less than 3% success rate. You cannot argue with logic. You can't argue with common sense. Why the hell are people still listening to all you gurus and influencers is beyond me. But do me a favor, stop teaching these people all that crap, because it is your responsibility with 300,000 followers to guide people the right way. Not because you didn't know it gives you a free pass to just teach people crap. Stop it. Use your head. Use your intelligence. If you want to know how I do it, I will happily tell you for free. I have an entire Facebook group, The Mighty Investor, where I help people for free. I literally devote a lot of time for me to help people for free. If you want a fast track to success, you can sure buy my system and you don't have to think, you don't have to do anything other than just follow the program and I'll get you there. But if you don't want to spend a cent on anybody, including me, join my Facebook group. I will still try to help you for free.